Quando chegar o momento, amigos,
Está chegando a hora.
acharão o caminho.
Próximo sábado, dia 21, Boteco Cantalice apresenta
What you know about rolling down in the deep when your brain goes numb, you can call
Aniversário com Festa Fantasia.
Put it all in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean, hey. What you know about rolling down in the deep when your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze when these people.
E pra animar a galera, DJ Picolino
I feel like an astronaut in the ocean.
e Pamela Barbosa. Venha se divertir, porque aqui é bom demais.
What you know about rolling down in